In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the status column in Monday.com, including how to add it to your board and fully customize it to match your workflow. The status column is one of the most powerful features in Monday.com because it lets you clearly track progress, organize tasks, and instantly see where every project stands. If you want better visibility across your team, this is a feature you definitely need to master. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Monday.com tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, let's talk about how to add a status column to your board. Start by opening the board where you want to track progress. Once you're inside your board, look all the way to the far right of your existing columns. You'll see a button that says plus add column. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking add column, a menu will appear showing different column types you can add to your board. In many cases, you'll see status listed under recommended columns because it's one of the most commonly used features in Monday.com. If you don't immediately see it, you can scroll or search for it. Click on Status. As soon as you select it, a new status column will instantly appear on your board. That's it. You've successfully added a status column. Now you can start using it to track the progress of each task or item in your workflow. Next, let's customize the status column so it actually matches your process. By default, Monday.com gives you preset labels like working on it, done, or stuck, but most teams need something more specific. To customize the labels, click on any cell inside the status column. A drop-down will appear showing all the current label options. At the top right of that pop-up, you'll see a three-dot menu. Go ahead and click those three dots. From the menu that appears, choose Edit Labels. This opens the label editor, where you can fully control the names and colors of each status option. Now you can rename any existing label by simply clicking into the text field and typing a new name. For example, instead of working on it, you might change it to In Progress. You could also add labels like Not Started, In Review, Queued, Waiting on Client, or anything else that reflects your real workflow stages. If you need additional stages, you can add new labels directly from this editor. This is especially helpful if your process has multiple review steps or approval stages. One of the most powerful parts of the status column is color coding. Each label can have its own color, making it incredibly easy to scan your board visually. For example, you might set Not Started to gray, In Progress to blue, In Review to purple, Blocked to red, and Completed to green. With just a quick glance, you and your team can instantly understand the status of every task. Once you're done editing labels and colors, simply close the editor. Your changes are saved automatically. Now, every time you click a status cell, you'll see your customized workflow options ready to use. From here, using the status column is simple. Just click on a cell and select the appropriate stage for each task. As your project moves forward, update the status to reflect progress. This keeps everyone aligned and reduces the need for constant check-in messages. The real power of the status column shows up when you combine it with automations, dashboards, and filtering. You can create automations like, when status changes to done, notify the manager, or filter your board to only see items that are in review. That's how you turn a simple column into a full workflow management system. And that's how you add and customize the status column in Monday.com. It's simple to set up, but incredibly powerful once you start using it consistently. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Monday.com guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.